Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about the C-57 license, also known as the well drilling contractor license. So a well drilling contractor installs and repairs water wells and pumps by boring, drilling, excavating, casing, cementing, and cleaning to provide a supply of uncontaminated water. And that definition is straight from the Contractor's State License Board website. So essentially the C-57 license is a requirement for anybody that's looking to bid on well drilling projects where the total cost exceeds $500 in labor and materials. Now the time frame to get a C-57 license is on average about 90 days. You can expect about a 6 to 8 week application processing time and then maybe another 3 to 4 weeks before you take your test. Now this time can fluctuate based on a variety of different factors. It could be longer, sometimes shorter than 90 days, but on average that's about how long it's taken. Now the basic requirements are that you're at least 18 years of age, you've got to have a valid driver's license or USAID, you've got to have a Social Security or ITIN number, and you can't currently be on probation or parole. Now your experience requirements are that you have at least 4 years full-time journey level experience within the last 10 years, you've got to have somebody who can sign off on the experience, and you've got to be able to submit documentation to the CSLB if they ask to see proof of your experience. Now, who can sign off on your experience for a CSLB license? You could use a general contractor, you could use a C-57 license holder, you could use a foreman or supervisor, you could use a fellow journeyman or employee at a company that you've worked in the last 10 years, or in some cases you could even use a business associate. Now, for help filling out the application, you can check out the link in the description. We've got a full program on assistance on how to get that done. Now, criminal history. Everybody's got to do live scan fingerprinting when they apply for a contractor license. Be honest on the application if you do have a criminal record. Typically, fraud, forgery, and embezzlement are the big red flag charges. So if your charges don't fall into those categories, it's okay. Just submit court documents to the CSLB and you should be okay. Now, what's on the exam? There's going to be two parts. There's 115 questions covering contractor license law. There's 115 questions covering well drilling. You'll have 3 hours to complete each portion. It's a multiple choice exam, and it's going to be done on site on a computer. And you can bring a translator the day of the exam if you need to. Now, the C-55 license covers planning and estimation, covers water well drilling and well development, covers geotechnical borings and environmental wells, water distribution system installation, water distribution system repairs, water well rehabilitation and destruction, and 25% of the exam covers safety. Now again, for a deeper look at the exam, check out the description in the link, and we've got a full detailed guide on everything that you need to know to pass your C-55 license the first time. Now after you pass the test, you'll know your results immediately right there on the spot. Typically you can do a retake within about 3 weeks. And then you pay your license activation, provide your contractor bond number, and then you get your contractor license in the mail in about 2 to 3 weeks. Now, how much does it cost for a CSLB license? You've got to pay a state application fee. You'll pay a license activation fee, and then a renewal fee every 2 years. You've got to pay for fingerprinting, and then you've got to provide a contractor bond number. Now, at the end of this video, you'll see another video covering how much it costs for a California contractor license right now. I suggest you check out that video at the end of this one. Now, getting your C-55 license can be a very smooth process if you got the correct information, if you fill out your application correctly, and you pass your exam the first time, all of which we can help you out with. Check out the link in the description. We can pretty much help you with all of these things. Just want to thank you for watching. For additional information, you can check out some of our other videos. If you found this video helpful, click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have a question, drop it in the comments and we'll make sure we get to that. But again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.